Why's it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but she don't even know. To be honest, I don't really need to be fan. To be honest, I've been caught up in the deep end. Where you want it, I've been rolling on a roll, so kinda close though, on the way home. I've been 5 bags and she keep tags. Hairstyle, nails done, but she checking for a waist, man. Tired times need faith, man, but she been patient.
So now there will be a lot of study time lapse, and it's quite long. So to give you an insight on my life, I'm a medical aspirant, a year dropper as well, and this is me, recording the time as a sort of memorabilia, and to inspire myself and you all too. This journey has been a quite lot to take. Hope you've enjoyed this video so far. I really put a lot of effort into it, and if you've liked it, you can please like this video. That will genuinely make my day. It's free and you can always dislike it later. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. I hope you liked this, and it would mean a lot to me if you'd like this video and maybe comment something, or share it to one of your friends, to somebody who needs it, because everybody can use a shoulder to lean on. Thank you so much, and you can continue watching the video.
Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my words taste look like daisies. We can be some, we can.
Hey guys, I just took a bath, and now it had been a long time since I put nail polish in my hands, so now I'm applying nail polish in gray color. I don't think it suits me, but anyways, so that is what I'm going to do.
To be honest, I don't really need to be fan. To be honest, I've been caught up in the deep end. Where you want it, I've been rolling on a roll, so kinda close though, on the way home. I've been 5 bags and she keep tags. Hairstyle, nails done, but she checking for a waist, man. Tired times need faith, man, but she been patient. I've been rolling downtown, stay focused. Cheap smiles get cloud, oh baby, this is showbiz. All signs say hopeless, this is life in the low end. And if my girl stick around, then she probably get the short stick. Going going through the mud even if it don't stick. Don't switch, she gon' ride till it don't fit. Don't quit, I'ma pay for all my own sins. I've been a moment through the COVID.